Marloru was born because beach babes deserve better. Generic beach bags absorb moisture, leaving us with a wet, sandy mess at the end of the day. We need a bag that protects against the mishaps that come with a day of fun, like exploded sunscreen or a surprise cannonball. One that easily wipes away clean and keeps our stuff dry. One with enough room to stash a post-surf wet bikini or sandy towel and won't soak through. One that can go from the beach to the street to the tiki bar and still look stylish while fitting everything we need for a fun-filled day. The adjustable strap on our Sunday crossbody bag keeps your hands free to carry the more important things and features plenty of space to stash the rest. Our smaller twofer pouch keeps your valuables protected and organized. If this smaller bag is all you need for the day, just grab your favorite belt and wear it around your waist. It's the perfect travel companion. Now you can stash and splash without worry. Each bag is sourced with environmentally conscious, water-resistant materials. With this Kickstarter, we're launching the Sunday crossbody bag and twofer pouch in our first print, the Mex-flo. With your support, we'll be able to roll out production in time for the holidays and bring you more fun prints and functional styles down the line. Thank you for making Marloru a reality. We know the active water woman in your life will love these bags as much as